What's up fam, it's your boy Mohammed Al Safar and we're back with another vlog. So today we got a very cool vlog for you guys where I'm gonna go head out to dinner in a bit with the boys and then we're gonna unbox some sneakers together. So I'm gonna meet up with the guys at Comic Stop at Darul Wasl Mall first and then we're gonna head out together to this really good authentic Japanese restaurant that I haven't been there myself but the boys tell me it's really good. So let's get this night started. And we're here at Comic Stop. What's up, Saeed?
Oh, what's up, bro?
How are you doing?
Not bad.
All good?
All good. Just looking at the pops. We're gonna get some new ones in soon.
I think I missed some over here. Did we feature that last time?
I don't know if you saw the Hellbat.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, that's very cool. So you can only get this here, right?
It's only Comic Stop, as you can see from the sticker, and it suits the pop.
Exactly.
The colors.
Wow.
Hell yeah, you know.
For sure. And what are you guys getting in tomorrow?
You're gonna see.
Huh?
You're gonna see.
You want to tell them?
From what I saw, Emerald City Comic Con and
which...
Berserker, which is the first comic written by Keanu Reeves.
Hi, I'm Keanu Reeves. Comics are awesome.
There you go.
And it's the biggest selling comic since 2015. That one was Star Wars. So Keanu Reeves is selling as much as Star Wars. That's how crazy this is gonna be.
By the way, guys, when you guys are seeing this, the comics have already released, so make sure you guys come by because I'm sure they're gonna fly
They're gonna
off
be
really
here
quick.
tomorrow, inshallah, and they're gonna fly off the shelf. Keanu Reeves co-wrote it, or he's the main writer. Amazing art by professionals in the industry. You don't want to miss it.
Yeah, definitely. So you guys watching this, it's already out. So we're gonna head out to eat.
We're gonna go eat.
Let's go. What's up, bro? How are you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good, good, good. Let's go.
You have to edit out songs.
Yeah, copyright. Oh, actually, we're back again. We didn't forget one more person. Samir's about to come here in a second, and we'll head out.
Waiting for him.
Samir, we found you! What's up, Samir? Tesla, close your doors, please. And we're here at Fujiya. What's up, Khalifa? All good? Good to see you, man. So we went ahead and got a room because of the, the vid situation going on in the world. So we wanted to be excluded since it's indoors. We're trying to stay as safe as we can. Check out the menu. One side is the hot pot where you have to dip it in the broth and let it cook there. And the other side,
Japanese barbecue.
me and Saeed just ordered all you can eat Wagyu hot pot. We're gonna make sure to go out winning tonight. We did get our salad, but we kind of finished it before getting a chance to take a video, but it was really good. And we got our broths right here. We got the spicy miso and the miso, which they recommended. We got assorted vegetables to throw in here with some ginger, garlic, and scallions to throw in the broth.
Shall I?
Let's give it some extra flavor. Yes, please, go ahead.
A little bit there.
And now we wait for this guy to heat up so we can throw in the veggie. And here comes the first cut of meat.
I'm gonna test the regular miso first, even after it's cooked.
And the beef tongue.
Beef tongue.
This is what we're having, and this is what they're having. So I'm gonna try the meat, since it's Wagyu, without any sauce to see how it tastes. Oh wow. See, this is amazing. Wow, you don't even really need a sauce for it. We're gonna make the restaurant lose tonight. Unlimited.
It's so light.
Let's try their beef tongue. Not a big tongue guy, so I'm gonna dip this in some sauce. Wow. The salad was so good, we went ahead and ordered one more. Mabruk, guys.
We got a new dish.
Oh, we just got a new dish.
We're rationing our one dish.
And here we have the Wagyu nigiri. Let's go ahead and try it. We just got done with one plate and now for another round. And round 2 of the Wagyu platter. And another round of the Wagyu nigiri.
It's like trying for them, like they were at it. I gave them a
And another one.
Round 3.
in the community. Yeah, no, Felice is a really, really genuinely nice person.
Let's go. And round 4 of the Wagyu nigiri.
Know that. They look so docile. Even
Thank you. So we just called them so that we can have one more round of that Wagyu beef. And one more final round.
she also advertised it.
This is nice.
Congratulations.
It's bad, but
We did it.
Paid off all the debts.
We did it, guys. We downed all of that, and I believe we're coming out winning, right? I'm getting that meat sweats, guys. I'm gonna tell them I want some more. I'm full though, I'm just messing around with them. Can we have 3 more? Can we have 3 more plates?
3 more?
And I'm just kidding, we're full. We're full. We're full. Done, just the check, please. Yeah, thank you.
She was just like, yeah, sure.
They were gonna bring some more. Oh man, that was really good. Really good food. That was really good. Next time we're gonna come in, what we're gonna try?
There's Japanese barbecue, so
Yeah.
we cook the meat outside.
We'll do that next. Definitely coming back here for sure. And now, to head back home and start unboxing. And we're back in the stew, now to get these out of their boxes. And first up we have the Yeezy 350 Ash Blue. Now finally we have an easy name to pronounce, unlike the other previous 350 names that I really have no idea what they were. But here we have another simple colorway that's also very wearable from the 350s. I have noticed that they've been making a lot of more wearable colors because at one point some of the 350s were totally unwearable, and now we have 350 releases with easier colors to wear. And you guys know me, I go after every 350 because I want to have the complete set of the 350s. So definitely need this to complete the set. Next up we have a very cool SB. Now we all love our SBs because they all have a story behind them, and this very sneaker has a really cool story. So as you can tell already, it has different colors based on a VX1000 camcorder from the mid-90s, which is so cool because they actually put all of these details on here which represent a camcorder from the early 90s. So basically you're gonna see different things that you used to actually see on camcorders, like the red and yellow represent AV wires, and of course you got the control, up and down, player, record, and all that good stuff on here. And the colorway does resemble a camcorder. And also a small detail on the inside, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but on the inside it shows you the seconds it's been recording at 0.1 second right now, and over here the resemblance of the red light indicating that the camera is recording, which is really cool. I really love all the SBs and all the stories behind them. And next up is a navy gray dunk. Now this is a women's sneaker. As you guys have seen from my previous videos, there's a lot of cool women releases that we can buy as well, like this sneaker right here. The quality on this is super awesome, and on the inside you guys can see it has a satin finish over here, which is really cool details. And because this is a women's sneaker, it's actually harder for us to find our sizes, so I went for a size 12, which I believe is the largest size it comes in, so that's equivalent to 10.5. Definitely needed this in my collection. And last but not least, we have the Jordan 1 85s. And this is an OG sneaker that got retroed for the first time since the 80s. Now this is a very cool colorway. Really cool because this is a little bit different from the other ones because it actually has the exact same shape as the Jordan 1s from back in the day. Like I said earlier, this is the first time they actually retro the sneaker, and because of that they actually made it look like it came from the 80s too, because all the Jordan 1s back then did come with these cards attached to them just like this, which is really cool. And of course it has another gray lace that you can actually put instead of the white ones, which is also really cool, but definitely one of the nicest Jordan 1s for this year. And now to show you guys a quick 360 look on the sneakers. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys very soon.